Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we are gonna be talking about can Bitcoin recover now. If you are catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you are thinking. Now, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever this stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out right now, right? So how's it going, guys? Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for being part of this awesome crypto community. Wars in his hills. I'm not sure he's eating dinner or something, but there seems to be a plate with something. I made popcorn. Dying with the candles. Oh, yeah. Thanks for being here, Bising. Much appreciated. Doomer, evening. Everyone's in the house. Thank you all for being here. On that note, let's jump on to the magical area of analysis. Total market cap. What are we doing, man? Gained a little bit in the daily yesterday, but not a lot. Not enough to recover. We had a lot of pullback throughout the day. Again, still above 1.19. Really freaking low, considering that we were very, very close to 1.75 trillion. A lot of money wiped out very quickly. Trying to go up today. Again, it's going to be the weekend. It might be slow. There might not be a lot of volume. And whatever we do, we might undo by Sunday, right? We'll see how the weekend keeps on trading. I'm not going to call anything here on the daily because we don't have a lot to call here on the daily. Let's go check out Bitcoin. I don't think you can send links, my friend. Sorry about that. Bitcoin support 20,796, still rejected 30,242. Remember, we said that's the area that we wanted to recover because every time we've been below, we either recovered it that same day or the day after. Now we didn't recover it today. Not looking super hot. Want to be above this area. Remember that. Right? Remember that. Why is this not showing me the messages? Here we go. Right on. So Nothing call here that is bullish, at least not for now. Making more. Yep, we're moving down here. Oversold 27.88. Need to come back to that neutral zone, or at least consolidate for a period of time here until this becomes a new normal. 4-hour chart. Bullish divergence. Potential for a rally. Look, getting that small pump, going for that 30,200. Failing to sustain it, and now we're coming down again. So 28,796 could be a support. Neutral at 41.96. Not a lot, guys. Not a lot going on here. Hidden divergence came into play, put pressure on that price, and made us move back down. Right, that's what we have right now. This is what we have right now. Guys, by the way, is there going to be a poker tonight, or is it just going to be, I'm not sure. Are we going to play poker or not? Because we didn't finish stating it yesterday, I guess, so I'm curious. Neutral at 42.14, right? 1-hour chart. What is this? 287.49, 274, slightly lower as we're coming higher. There is some bearishness here, some bearish divergence. Strong, barely there, but it's there. It happened at 11 p.m., so we're not live when that was happening. But bearish divergence, actually downside. Look, we tried to rally still from here to here, and created more strong bearish divergence, and then we started to take that small drop, right, that we're seeing again. I'm really hoping that we're gonna hold these levels, man. Otherwise, man, 25,000 is gonna be tough, because it will go down to that level. So 30,247, right? That's it for the corn. Not seeing anything here that is bullish. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, there we go. Dropping, trying to stay above the 20,000s again. On that large range, 2,263 to 1,844. That is it there, man. Sold at 29.60. 4-hour chart, man. Bullish divergence, trying to rally, rejection of the 20. Hidden bearish divergence coming into play at a key area of resistance, at 20 moving average. Oh my goodness, man. Their market just sucks. I'm gonna be a positive beam of bearishness today. I'm kidding. We're sitting neutral at 41.14. Yeah, we don't have it here. So that's it. Just some hidden bearish divergence, putting pressure on the price, moving down, just following Bitcoin. Again, bearishness. Nothing here in this last bit. Bearish divergence, right? This bearish divergence is strong on this bit. And that shifts to there, and that shifts to there. So that all played out, right? So hidden divergence, move this down, try to rally. Hidden divergence, move this down, try to rally. Strong bearish divergence. Getting that downwards motion. Not a lot going on after that. That is it for this, man. Beta. 54 cents. Jeez, bearish divergence, dropping on that. Again, same story, right? That Ethereum, look, we went here. That tracked onto there. Bearish divergence. Flagging on that. No strong bearish divergence like the other cryptos, which is good. Just that hidden bearish, putting that pressure, breaking it below that 55-cent mark. Remember what we said here? 48. If we do rally, we're going to go up to that 55-cent mark, and then we're going to see when we go there and what we have. That's where we're at right now. Let's go to the daily and ADA. Man, is it sucking still? Yes, bullish divergence, trying to make it rally. That's it. 4-hour chart. Nothingness. No divergence like, Bitcoin had, I think. Or we do have it here. Sorry about that. Maybe against the RSI. That's it. So, let's see what else. By the way, happy Friday. Cheers, guys. It's been a tough week. Tough week for crypto in general. 1 second. Oh, this is gonna look sweet when it's finished. I'm messing around with something I'm building. I'm gonna show it here on the screen. It is an SD card holder. It's not finished yet. I'm still painting it, but this is gonna be freaking awesome. is gonna be super cool. It's a tiny Iron Man helmet, SD card holder, sorry. It's not gonna read the cards, it's gonna hold them. That's gonna be really dope when it's finished. I still gotta go paint this tonight more. So we'll see. Again, enjoying my life while the market crashes. So Maka Wizard, what's up? Correct around said cheers. Steve says cheers. Brutal week. Yes, it's been a brutal week. Yeah, I'm actually working on a couple projects. I have 3 things that I'm painting right now. They're all Marvel related. Why would Coinbase still have Luna if the bridge is down? Thoughts on coin? All right, I have no clue, man. I have no clue where they have that. Let's do the DXY. I think there's questions about the DXY in the chat. I think War on the Discord said something about the dollar index, so we're gonna check it out real quick. I'm not sure why they have it listed, my friend. Yeah. All right, so I guess your question was, what targets do we have for the dollar? Right, there's bearish divergence there. It's still failing to play out, right? Dollar's getting a lot of strength, but strong bearish divergence nonetheless. Overbought at 70.58. Very good chance this one might trigger. Right, and just like we didn't have it here against the other side, but here we do have it. It's a good shot. We might be looking for moving down. Coming up higher again, going parabolic on the weeklies. Man, it's just getting a lot of traction here. Getting a lot of traction here in the dollar index. Now targets, man. All right, we're gonna have to zoom out way over here, and try to find targets. Do we have levels that make sense? Man, targeting back here and saying that there should be something around there. We can see that kind of sort of rejected that area. I'm not gonna go for pinpoint accurate targets now. I just want to get targets in general. Ideas of targets that we could go to, right? Again, here. Why am I putting this one here? Well, we came back down, bounced right around here, and then reversed, right? So hit, reversed, 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 came back down, and yeah, I think we should be looking at targets that are in here, this area, right? This here area. So let's do that one, and let's just target this one as one, and that's 2 can just be one target. So yeah, next target to the upside, man, 109, right? Not that far, and then 120. Rejection targets of Bitcoin if a rally were to continue. All right, cool. I didn't know we were talking about this for Bitcoin. So rejection targets on Bitcoin. That's easy. Let's go to a corn chart. Let's go to a corn starch. Or corn chart. All right, look at that. It's dropped forever and ever and ever into oblivion. All right. So we are again trying to hold support there at 29,179, which is fairly good. Next target to the upside, 30,753. Above there, 33,090, 33,309. 34,000 might not hold as strong, but 35,700s. So those will be targets to the upside. Downside, 29,179. If we lose that, 28,377, 26,406, and 24,948. Those are the targets that we are looking at up and down on the corner. I hope you wrote them down. If not, you can always rewind and catch them on the replay. Yeah. This is the base of the card holder thinger. I'll show you with this one. Like that. It just holds your SD cards and micro SD cards here. So a micro SD card here, and it holds your larger cards. Yes, it's pretty cool. I like it. Modelo negra. Yeah, man. That's what I'm having. Represent, man. Represent. That's what I was able to afford with the market crashes, man. I was not able to go for whiskey tonight. Market crashed so hard, whiskey was expensive, so we had to go to beer. I'm kidding. But it just didn't feel like a beer, whiskey day. Market's crashing. It just feels like, beer. That's it. And if it keeps crashing, it's gonna be water. So why are you drinking water? I'm glad I'm having some Redneck Cola. Man, it's been a fun day. It's a fun day today. It's super heavy at work. We were playing video games. You will play video games after. Do you want to play poker with us? We play online. It's just for fun with like plate chips, and we're trying to get 5 people to be in the game. I think so far as May preparing for war and me. So if anyone wants to play, let us know. We're trying to set up a small game, but we want at least to have 5 people in there. But we shall see. It's kind of like a video game, but not really. It's like digital poker. And then we can all chat and chill, and you can turn your video on if you want, or you can just have your audio on, and then we can all chat and interact. So yeah, man. The corn, huh? Talk about the corn. We don't talk about the corn. No, no, no. Oh, that's we don't talk about Bruno. Have this thing also that I still have to sand and paint. If you don't know what this is, it's not fully there yet. It's kind of there. It's called the Eye of Agamotto. It's from marble, but this one actually opens and closes. After the stream. And that piece goes with this piece, which is the actual eye. And it actually opens and closes via a mechanism. I'm also going to be sanding and painting that. Being in Discord? Alright. So we're going to go after the stream. So whenever the stream finishes, we're just all going to jump online and play. So that's the time. What time is that? I'm not sure. Might be in a couple minutes. I got game plans, FPS, with some friends, but I'll check out the link if it's in Discord. Alright, alright. Yeah, FPS are fine, man. Last FPS I played, I think it was Modern Warfare. I just haven't really been playing a lot lately. I really need to give myself time to like play games, but shit, it's usually either work or projects. That's it. Games have become a sort of commodity that I am no longer allowed to do, man. I bought Age of Empires 4. I have not really been able to set and finish the campaign. Like, I just played the first 3 scenarios, that's it. I also got Dragon Ball Kakarot. No, was not able to finish that. I got The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. I was not able to finish that. You know, I got Anno 1800. I was not able to play that for a long time. I was just like, you know, I really need to find a way that I can actually just sit down and play video games someday. Amaze finishing a show, 10 minutes though. Oh, Civ 6. I haven't played Civ 6. You know, I like more the Age of Empires, like the old ones, Age of Empires 2, Age of Empires 1. I have them. I just have not been able to play them. I also have something here that is really cool, but I don't want to touch it because it's like a chrome based thing, and I grabbed it even with a napkin and it kind of stained. So I think I'm gonna have to put like a clear coat on top of it before I'm actually able to handle it. But that other thing that I have here, man, is gonna be freaking kick-ass when I have it done. I'm gonna show it on the stream. I'm gonna show all 3 things in the stream when we're finished. Your dad with work and wives. Yeah. I'm a dad with work and wife. It's hard. StarCraft. Yeah, I had StarCraft Wings of Liberty. Was that the second one that came out? Yeah, StarCraft 2. I bought it. I was in Switzerland when it came out. It was in 2010. I actually bought the collector's box. It's somewhere in here in the house. I didn't buy the expansions. I just don't have time to play, man. It's just like my PS4 is like a virgin still, I think. It became a virgin again. You know, I'm not able to play on it. Like, I really don't have time to sit down and like play a game. I think the last game I got was Days Gone, and I only played for like, you know, I did get pretty far on that one, but my kid was really young, and then, you know, I really want to get back to it. I didn't finish it. Tom, what's up, dude? Tom Crown in the Hiss Hills. It's a rough time to be a streamer. Yes, I agree. It is a rough time to be a streamer, man. It's a rough time to be a streamer. It's just a rough time in crypto in general. Market's down. Fuck, no real support. Like, we're trying to hold support, I guess. 29,000s, 28,000s. But fuck, man. To 25k hit. Man, we saw that one coming. Again, still trying to hold that 28,000s, man. Ever since we broke that down sloping channel, or that upsloping channel, just shit went down. It's just been a really, really bad downhill motion. Yeah, trying to find some recovery, I guess. It's just a chill stream, man. You know, I think last time I was live, or at least not last time I was live. Last time I was live with a lot of people. It was when the market was crashing like 2 days ago. I came from a friend's party. I was like really, really gone. Martin's just glad we're not hitting the all-time highs right now. I know, that was boring though. Think it's late for my viewers. Share your link. Oh, thanks, man. I much appreciate that. Yeah, it's been rough the last couple of months, man. I'm not sure. Like, I heard. It's just crazy though. But I heard like a lot. Not just like you and I and everyone. Like I heard Mitch Ray complaining about, you know, subscriber base going down, and, you know, all hell breaking loose in his stream, I guess. But yeah, it's been rough for everyone, right? The streamers, the people that come to the streams, you know, everyone that's in crypto, I think it's kind of tired of the market to some extent. Fear and greed super low. Where's the fear and greed index at? 9. Fear and greed super low. Again, should be looking for a bounce, but again, we know we can stay at these areas for a long time, right? Or around these areas without any real action, right? By looking at the chart. It's the lowest we've been in a year or so. But, or is this a year? This is a month. This is a month. All right, let's go to a year. The lowest we've been in a year. Yeah, also almost. I think it's the lowest we've been in a year. What was this? 10. 10. Yeah, we've never been to 9 in over a year. So yeah, congrats. We're in your low for fear and greed. But look at that. We were down here last time. No real action, but stayed here for a couple months. I just don't like that. If we go to max, have we been at this low before? Yeah, we could actually come lower here at what is this low point here? Find some in. Come on, play ball. It's not giving me a number. 11, I think. No. 5. All right, 5 is the lowest we've been. And we're kind of close to it. I just hope we don't go there. That's gonna blow if we go there. Oh no, 2K, thank you much for being here, man. Yeah, we had a Vegas trip. That was freaking awesome. It wasn't March, like 10th to the 13th. It was really, really fun to be there and meet the community. It was an awesome experience, and we had a blast. Oh, hit the tables, nice dinners, met the community. You know, it was freaking amazing. Thank you guys for that awesome experience. I had a really, really good time in Vegas. I'm glad we did that before the markets went to hell, because, man, I think that Vegas trip would have been postponed until oblivion if the markets were at these levels. Yeah, Vegas was a really nice trip. You should, yeah, well, next time we do one, you should come, Tom. We had a lot of fun there. And we streamed from Vegas, which also was part of the awesomeness that happened there. I know my daughter's been in the office. How do I know? It's extremely easy. She grabs the lip balm and then she makes a mess when she closes the lid. She is a danger in this office. She hits everything. And I'm afraid one day she's gonna be here. She's gonna hit the live, and all of a sudden I'm gonna be live and without me knowing. Yeah. Your theory is we get a pretty substantial pump in the next couple of weeks, 4 to 6, and then revisit the slows before pumping again in September, November. Yeah, I mean a relief rally would kind of be needed, but shit, I mean. Given current conditions, I mean, how many legs have we gotten? We're on the weekly. Can we look at the legs? Well, let's go to another chart. This one's like really clear. This one's gonna be better here. Again, going to all-time lows. So, I mean, hell, do we just want to consider this all to be one leg down, then one pump, and then another leg down? Because if that is the case, we might be looking for a third one, right? Not gonna be nice. Yeah, month-wise, shit, we're also like just keep on dropping, right? Not good in the month. We had bearish divergence. We know about that. We've talked about it here in the shorter term move here. It's gonna assume in a second. Oh, it's super cluttered. No. But again, it was a bearish divergence here. We're looking for this hidden bullish, just right holds, but not gonna be putting a lot of stock on that right now. And the 1 hour chart, let's go auto. It's just, yeah, you know, like I said, the market's not there. I'm scaling out of positions. I told you guys that. I'm gonna add soon, I think. If we get another drop to 25, I might start adding, but I'm glad I started to get out around that 37K, man. You know, I'm buying almost $10,000 cheaper, right? So, not a bad move. Yeah, I was there once on BitBoy. It was fun. On the around the blockchain, and then I think I'm too small, but it was fun being there. What's up? Yeah. Thanks, Noid2K, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, it's hard, man. I mean, like the last couple ones. I mean, I think, and I was talking about Mitch. He said he was like losing hundreds of subs per day, man. That is freaking insane. I'm losing subs every day, but you know, hell, hundreds of subs a day, man. That really sucks. Yeah, let's keep looking at this, man. I mean, is there anything that is worth checking out right now? Is everything a copy of Bitcoin, like we've seen, right? Ethereum trying to rally 2% again. What we talked about Ethereum, though, you know. Yeah, some bearishness, nothing bullish developing. Again, consolidation for now. Very large channel we're in. Again, glad we recovered. 1,844 and still below 2,263, but that's the channel we're in for now, and where the next moves are going to take us, right? 8 I already did. Already know it's kind of like there. Also, trying to rally, trying to get above 55 cents. Right now, hitting it as resistance. We shall see if 55 cents is going to hold as resistance again. XRP, man, 43 cents. Fudge. I bounced. I'm kind of glad it bounced. 37 cents was rough for XRP, man. But we don't have a lot going on in XRP, and look, we've dropped lower. So whenever bullishness we were looking for is no longer there, of course, right? And like I've said here, you know, XRP is really, it's dependent on the SEC lawsuit. Yeah, much appreciated, Tom. Mana, Zek, Bat. Yeah, we can check those out. Brian B, what's up, dude? Maker. All right. So here again, 45.83, hitting resistance, going back down below the 20 still. We're gonna try, no, above the 20 right now. We're gonna try to overtake that 45 cent mark, 45.83. If we don't, again, 37.07 is gonna be a nice support to come back down to. Not really a lot here as far as divergences. I think maybe some bullish divergence down here. Yeah, slight. Super slight divergence here. There we go. 4-hour grid. Right, bullish divergence at a key area support. Getting a small bounce, you know, not bad. But again, coming to resistance, like we said the other day, right? Hitting resistance and really not a lot going on after that. Coming up higher or higher. Some bearish divergence. Some bearish divergence developing here in this last tiny bit out of resistance, you know, just to crown off this all point. Trying to get above, but failing because we had the bearish divergence that put pressure on the price. There we go. Israel at 55.78. Right on. Mana. All right, let's check out Mana. Why not? I know we have a Mana chart open somewhere. Ooh, Mana, nice. All right, 43% rally. What the freaking A, man? And another 22% right now. Wow, that's pretty freaking good. Are we bouncing off something? Are we hitting this other area down here? Maybe, kinda. I think we did hit that 59 cent. What was the lowest point? 60. We had it at 59.08. All right, so we're a cent off. That's a pretty good hit. Man, we haven't looked at Mana in a while. That's wild. Again, like there's a lot of coins I don't look at if you guys don't request them. That's usually how it goes. They just stay there forever and ever and ever. There was some divergence back here that didn't pan out, so kind of sucked at it. And then we're trying to bounce, but we have no bullish divergence. We also don't have any cool, quirky pattern to look at that might spike reversal. So let's go to the shorter time scales. Let's see if the 4-hour has something here. Lower, more negative momentum, lower still. So here also nothing bullish. Some hidden bearish divergence starting to manifest. Put pressure on the price. It already happened once. Happened here. Put that pressure, made us flag a bit. Still railing on that though. Again, it's just gonna keep on putting pressure on the price. We might flag at these levels. We could go for another small flag here and then see where that goes. Would not be bad. We're hitting that bot 63.55 again. Slight downwards motion, consolidation, and then get another leg up would be extremely nice to see here on Mana. And then these Mana shorter time fibs are from I think we're looking or praying for a bounce. I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. Just cluttering the charts here. And the stuff from the 4-hour, I forgot to anchor. Great. That's that. And let's get rid of this as well. There you go, all gone. Alright, so we had a rally or consolidation pattern playing out, and now we're starting to develop this divergence again. Starting to. Why am I saying it's starting to develop it? Because it's not fully there yet. We're starting, right? We're starting to make this new green positive momentum here, and we're also still live on this candle, so it's not yet confirmed, but it's kind of there. And again, it's just pointing it out so you guys can make a call after the stream is done. You know, there was divergence. Is it gonna still be there? You know, after the hour closes, you know, are we still gonna make positive momentum again? It's just starting to be there, right? This could still rally a bit more. Let's say this rallies a bit more here, right? And then this will make a little bit more positive momentum, right? So we could still have divergence, right? I'm just saying it's kind of there. You guys should watch out for it. Not saying it's gonna play us down immediately, but it could certainly start to see the pressure on the price build and not perform as well as it should. Yeah, just watch out for it. It's just like a heads up. Scott, what's up? Thank you very much for being here, man. There are patterns out there to be traded, not emotion. Yeah. We just look for the patterns, man. Favorite of almost crypto channels love subs in the big ones. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. I'm not sure if like there are accounts that are unsubscribing or they're like, you know, accounts that are canceled. It's kind of weird. We had Mana and then there were other coins that got mentioned. Ooh, I gotta find them now. This is SEZ, alright, sec. Cash. We have 2 Cashes. Which one's the one that's good? What that just means one has stuff charted on, the other one has probably nothing. Alright, this one had fibs, but no divergences. This one had nothingness. Alright, we'll go with this one. Those sweeps are obviously no longer good. They're probably really old. Last time we were looking at Zcash was back in May 2021. We haven't looked at it since we called the bearish divergence and then it dropped. So good stuff. We're gonna look at the new chart, sorta. So we have a resistance that we broke down from, and again, kind of held here and held here. So it's 114. Yeah, good stuff. Do we have bullishness? Yes, bullish divergence. First thing I'm hunting for divergence, right? That usually tells us that the trend is weakening and that we should be expecting a reversal to happen. And it's more common that we find divergences sometimes than we find patterns. You know, pattern-wise, what is this? Hells no. Yes. I did by accident. I want to go there. Where's the palette channel? Here we go. Man, are we? That's too far out. Doggios outliers. I don't like that channel. Let's rechannel this. Let's go from this point. I want to see if we have anything going on here as far as a parallel channel, sort of. And if we just extend this going farther back, it's not going to work as a channel. But we are sort of on a downsloping motion. I just wanted to see if we were in a straight up channel that we could say, yo, once we break this, we can measure it. But it is not. Again, pattern-wise, we don't have a lot. Do we have something that could be similar to a 3 fallen peaks? Maybe not. Let's see, 1 peak, 2 peaks. Yeah, maybe. Maybe we start looking at this as a 3 fallen peak pattern. If we don't count this one, because that move is too long, it kind of doesn't match up with the rhythm of this one's. But these are first peak, second peak, and maybe go for a 3rd peak here, right? Then we should be looking for a farther sell-off. That could be an interesting pattern to look at. All right, so since that is kind of there, I'm just gonna write 1. So I know that's the first one I was looking at, and